A pleasant day, everyone. My topic is Language of Relations and Function, and I will teach you on how to solve it. Example: let's set A, which is equal to 2, 3, and 4, and let's set B, which is equal to 6, 8, and 10, and define a relation R from A to B as follows. For all x and y is an element of the product of set A and B. X and y is an element of relation R. That means that y divided by x is an integer. First, we have to answer letter A. Is 4 related to 6? Is 4 related to 8? Is 3 and 8 an element of R? And is 2 and 10 an element of R? Before we find the answer, let us lay all the set of pairs. Our set of pairs are 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 10, 3, 6, 3, 8, 3, 10, 4, 6, 4, 8, and 4, 10. After we find all the set of pairs, we now substitute the pairs and get the answer. Here are the answers that we have gathered. 2 and 6 is an element of R because 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 and 8 is an element of R because 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 and 10 is an element of R because 10 divided by 2 is 5. 3 and 6 is an element of R because 6 divided by 3 is 2. However, 3 and 8 is not an element of R because 8 divided by 3 is 2 and 2/3. 3 and 10 is also not an element of R because 10 divided by 3 is 3 and 1/3. 4 and 6 is not an element of R because 6 divided by 4 is 1.5. 4 and 8 is an element of R because 8 divided by 4 is 2. And lastly, 4 and 10 is not an element of R because 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. Therefore, the answer for letter A is 4 related to 6? No, because 1.5 is not an integer. Is 4 related to 8? Yes, because 2 is an integer. Is 3 and 8 an element of R? No, because 2 and 2/3 is not an integer. And is 2 and 10 an element of R? Yes, because 5 is an integer. Now for letter B, as we have done in letter A, we lay down all the set of ordered pairs, which is 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 10, 3, 6, 3, 8, 3, 10, 4, 6, 4, 8, and 4, 10. For letter C, we need to write down the domain and codomain. Our domain is set A, which is 2, 3, and 4, and our codomain is 6, 8, and 10. And lastly, for letter D, we'll need to draw an arrow diagram for R. First, we lay our domain and codomain and list down our set of pairs and put an arrow to it regarding to the set of ordered pairs that we have arranged. And that's it. That is how I solved the language of relations and functions. Thank you for watching.